Today I'll be installing the new side skirts now. I mean, you guys seen me install the rear end, so now I just pretty much gotta take off these old ones. The reason why I'm taking these off is because they're slightly beat up, but they still work if painted again. I mean, they don't look that bad, and pretty much they didn't really paint them good, so it started chipping everywhere, the paint. And so I'm just installing new ones to make it easier for the body shop to just prep for them. So I'm pulling these out. They look clean, so yeah, I'm going with the same side skirts. So the side skirts come like this when you get them, and what's good about them is that they're poly, so they flex, you know, so there's not like fiberglass that if you hit something hard on them they'll crack. So I had those on my car for a while and they still look good. They haven't cracked or anything, the old ones, and it's really easy to install them. All you gotta really do is just drill these squares, and then your bolt goes through down there like OEM, and just the front right here where the screws, and one right here. And then for these here you can add rivets or self tappers or other type of hardware you like. So first we're going to start off with drilling these and then seeing where the fronts are and back, and then at the end these. They should look like that. And just test it out. So for the back, I literally just put in the same tab for the same bolt, and then I just had to trim a little bit here, not much. And then yeah, so I actually decided to start with the back, then the front, and then the bottoms, because it's easier to stabilize it while I'm underneath after. So I got one side skirt on, literally one bolt here, one bolt here. I just trimmed a little here just so it fits with just a little bit, not so much. And then here, one bolt there, and then all underneath is the same bolts. And then as for inside, I haven't mounted it all the way just because they're gonna remove it either way, so I just left the one for now, and you know they're gonna adjust from here. Looks nice. Sits lower than the OEM ones, and it has this like stick out on the sides. But yeah, now to do the other side. So this is how my car looks with the second side skirt on. It's pretty much complete now. All I need is the guards that go here and the plastic trims under the door, because they forgot to put one on when my car got painted a long time ago. But it looks really nice now. I mean, not yet until it's painted, but it looks nice. So I finally found a shop that was able to paint my car, and I can't really reveal the color yet, so just wait on it. It's a really special color that I don't really see out there a lot, and stands out, and it looks nice with like the carbon or black accents in the car. So yeah, That's all I can really say right now, but we are headed out to go drop it off now. So I just dropped off my car for the paint, and I'm just across the street looking at all these cool cars they have here. I mean, damn. My car inside over there, you see with the gray bumper. But yeah, you guys will see my car when it's done. Review coming soon, so subscribe if you already haven't.